Good evening everyone, this is Harpreet as a maths teacher. Dear students, I hope you all are good and fine and completed the previous one work as we have started the trigonometric identities. We already discussed how to form these identities. So let us discuss more about it and related to the question we will discuss about it now. So here is the first identity is sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. As cosecant square theta is equal to 1 plus cot square theta and secant square theta is equal to 1 plus tan square theta. So let us start here the related question from the exercise 8.4 as an NCERT book. Question number 5th question as 6th part. Firstly we will see here now. We have given into the square root 1 plus sin A into the numerator and denominator 1 minus sin A. If this type of the question we have given, always we are going with the rationalization and we have to prove it as secant A plus tan A. So starting with the left hand side. So here is left hand side into the square root 1 plus sin A 1 minus sin A. Go with the rationalization. So 1 plus sin A upon 1 plus sin A. We can see easily into the numerator 1 plus sin A and 1 plus sin A, it makes as 1 plus sin A whole square. And into the denominator 1 minus sin A and 1 plus sin A, it makes as A minus B and A plus B identity. So 1 square minus, it makes as sin square A. So we can write here into the 1 plus sin A whole square upon it is 1 minus sin square A. Now we have to relate the identity this way. What is the identity we have? Sin square A plus cos square A is equal to 1. This is move on the other hand side. So here will be cos square A is equal to 1 minus sin square A. So here we can write in place of 1 minus sin square A it is cos square A. So we will write here as 1 plus sin A square numerator as it is and here will be the cos square A. Now we approach square on the numerator, square on the denominator. So square root 1 plus sin A cos A whole square. So square and square will be cut out each other. We have 1 plus sin A upon cos A. So we can approach 1 upon cos A plus sin upon cos A. Reciprocal of cos we can call secant plus here will be it is tan A, which is equal to right hand side for which we have to prove it. So we started from the left hand side and we approach for the right hand side. On the last we can write here as we approach left hand side is equal to right hand side. Okay, so let us start more question related to the same topic as 8.4 exercise. If we will discuss about the another question. In a one question there are all the three properties are used. Three identities are used. That is the question number 8th part. Question 5th, 8th part you can see here. It is related as sin A plus cosecant A whole square. We have to prove cos A plus secant A whole square is equal to 7 plus tan square A plus here is cot square A. As we know that if we will open the square on the both terms sin A and cosecant A. Cosecant square A, it is the identity into the cot square A. On the right hand side we need and secant square A identity is into the tan square A that we need. So we will open here the whole square. So by using the identity as on the left hand side here is A plus B whole square. It makes as sin square A cosecant square A plus 2 sin A cosecant A plus here will be again cos square A plus secant square A plus 2 cos A and secant A. Now we can see all the terms are positive and sin square A and cos square A, both terms. If we will write togetherly here, sin square A plus it is cos square A plus cosecant square A. In place of it we are writing here 1 plus cot square A. And in place of secant we are writing 1 plus, here is tan square A. Okay. And now what are left? 2 sin A cosecant A. So here I am writing 2 sin A. Cosecant A is reciprocal of the sin. So 1 upon sin A plus 2. Here is cos A and secant is reciprocal of cos A. So these are cut out each other. So these terms are left as, here is 2 plus 2. And here is as sin square A plus cos square A. It is also 1 plus cot square A plus 1 plus tan square A. Now add all the constants. 1 plus 1 2, 2 plus 1 3, 3 plus 2 5, 5 plus 2 it makes as a 7 plus here is a tan square A as it is plus cot square which is equal to, this is the right hand side. So we approach on the from the left hand side to right hand side. Okay, in this one question all the identities we used. Sin square A plus cos square A is equal to 1. Cosecant square is equal to 1 plus cot square A we are using. Secant square is equal to 1 plus tan square A we are using. Okay students, so by using the all the identities we can prove the other identities also. So here the students, by these questions you can try the other questions also. If you have any query then you can ask me into the Zoom session. Okay, thank you. Have a nice day.